你好，三二一。
我是中文学生。Hello everyone. 大家好. We now have 24 days left to the end of the year of Chinese. That means Ershatshi Hin. Ershatshi is 24 and then Hin is days. And that's why we say Ershatshi Hin. Now, in our lesson 3, we are going to learn two important things. First one, what's your name? So we'll ask others for their name, and others will also introduce themselves. Or you will introduce your name as well. Let's try it. So, what's your name? That is Nijiao. Shema minzi. Nijiao. Shema minzi. Nijiao, you are called. Shema, what? And then minzi, name. So, for translation of Chinese is translated direct. It's kind of a broken English. So literally, when you're asking such question, you are called what name? Ni jiao shema minzi? And then, how do we answer that? You say, wo jiao Anna. Wo jiao means I am. So you can place wo jiao and then the name comes last. Thank you. Now, listen to our conversation with Becky.
您好，
你好吗？
我很好，
你叫什么名字？
我叫贝基or Becky，谢谢。你叫什么名字？
我叫 Arthur or Yasi. 谢谢。